a bad cold. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Oliver. Oliver loved to play outside and have fun with his friends. One day, Oliver woke up feeling not so good. He had a runny nose, a cough, and a sore throat. He was shivering and had a fever. Oliver's mom came into his room and said,
"Oh, Oliver, you have a bad cold. You need to stay in bed and rest."
Oliver didn't like being sick. He missed playing with his friends and having fun. His mom gave him a warm bowl of chicken soup. Oliver sipped it slowly, and it made him feel a little better. His mom also gave him a cozy blanket and read him a story. Oliver felt loved and cared for. Over the next few days, Oliver stayed in bed, rested, and drank lots of water. His mom checked his temperature and gave him medicine. Slowly, Oliver started to feel better. His runny nose stopped, and his cough went away. Finally, after a few days, Oliver was back to his old self. He was so happy to go outside and play with his friends again. Oliver realized that when he had a bad cold, taking it easy, and with his mom's loving care, he felt better. And from that day on, Oliver made sure to wash his hands and stay warm to avoid getting sick again.